Let's dive into the realm of acquiring well-run points through the utilization of Google Play gift cards. Exploring this avenue, one might initially believe that directly employing the gift card to procure well-run points is a feasible approach. However, the reality diverges from this expectation. Instead, a strategic alternative involves leveraging your Google Play gift card codes in a rather ingenious manner. Rather than a direct transaction for well-run points, one can engage in a process of flipping these gift card codes. The crux of this involves offering the codes for sale on platforms such as G2A or the Raise Marketplace. By partaking in this method, one opens the door to potential buyers who are willing to acquire these codes, compensating you with monetary funds. The subsequent step in this intricate dance involves converting the received funds into a usable form for obtaining well-run points. Upon receiving payment through avenues like PayPal or a bank account, you gain the flexibility to invest that money directly into the acquisition of well-run points. This indirect yet effective method allows for the seamless transition from Google Play gift card codes to the coveted well-run points. To streamline this process, platforms like G2A and Raise Marketplace offer user-friendly interfaces, making it convenient for individuals to sign up and navigate the terrain of code flipping. This ingenious workaround provides a practical solution for those seeking to convert the value of their Google Play gift cards into a tangible asset like well-run points. In essence, the journey involves a two-step dance. First, converting gift card codes into monetary value, and second, using that newfound currency to fulfill the desire for well-run points. It's a strategic play that maximizes the utility of Google Play gift cards, offering a pathway to enhance your gaming experience. So, if you're seeking a resourceful way to achieve this goal, platforms like G2A and Raise Marketplace stand ready to facilitate this exchange. Hopefully, this insight proves helpful in navigating the intricate landscape of acquiring well-run points through the utilization of Google Play gift cards.